Okay, this is VP Roofing. We're gonna be doing a repairability test for Leland Fillmore. I'm gonna try to be as careful as possible not to damage any shingles above or below or around. So let's get started. This is the shingle we're going to be using. It's Shakewood Natural Shadow. Let's put this to the side. Try to be as careful as possible. You can see how brittle this roof is. Trying my best not to damage anything. See how difficult this is to pull through. As you can see, there's damage right here. As you can see, this roof was brittle, that it caused damage. It's not repairable. Even when I'm trying to be as careful, it's causing a domino effect. Even if I do repair this as well, it's gonna damage the shingle above, causing a domino effect. Okay. Pull the shingle. Here's the shingle. Now let's pull out all the nails. That should be all the nails. Now let's put the shingle. Let's put on the keyway. The eye-tail came out that it's a match, but as you can see, it's not a match just because it overlaps. It's not the same size. It overlaps by this much, meaning you're not able to properly install this roof. You would need a whole new roof. But let's put 6 or 7 nails, and as you can see, it's not the same color, so it's not a match. Put 6 or 7 nails. It's 2. Okay. Now we're gonna have to nail this over here above. As you can see, I caused damage right here trying to take off the tar strip that's sealed down. What I'm going to try to do is I'm gonna try to lift this up, trying to nail this down, but as you can see, I'm causing a crease. You can just see the creases I'm causing lifting this up to be able to, I'm lifting this up to be able to nail this. But as you can see, it's causing creases and damage. Got one right here as well. Okay, that's 6 or 7 nails. As you can see, I caused damage right here, as well as right here. And you can clearly see that this overlaps by this much, meaning this shingle is not a match because it's not the same size and it's not the same color. It stands out quite a bit.